Hey besties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell from the title of the video, today's video is going to be a clean with me. My room and my bathroom have been needing a little deep clean for a minute now, so if you need some motivation to clean your room or your house, go ahead, put this TV on your big screen. Put this video on your big screen, put it on your TV, and go ahead and clean with me. Or you can just sit down and watch it, you know, if you just are like me and get satisfaction from watching cleaning videos, because I definitely do. Let me just show y'all what we're working with. Let me just show y'all. So as y'all can see, my room is pretty messy. Like, my bed needs to be made. I have this big bag on my freaking bed. My little stand up under my TV, that's pretty messy as well. Like, I need to organize that. I really just like have stuff just everywhere, all on the floor. I have clothes on the floor, shoes, just all kind of stuff. Drawers are open, stuff on the bed. Then we go over here to my closet. Sorry that my camera's so zoomed in, y'all, but go over to my closet. This is a mess too. My little swingy chair is a mess. Here we got stuff organized in my closet. So first thing that I'm gonna have to do is like really just go through and organize everything and put everything in its proper place. And then after I do that, then I'm gonna do like the deep cleaning part. So I'm gonna like dust everything down. I'm gonna windex my mirror. I'm gonna like Lysol wipe everything, vacuum, that kind of stuff. Let's get started. Oh, and also, if you're wondering why I have this hood on, my hair looks a freaking mess right now, and I just don't have it in me to comb it. I just rather chill with my hoodie on, because that's what I like to do anyway. And I know y'all are my besties, so y'all not judging me, so we good.
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, till you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown, cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication of life. You should have been here to kick it with me. We could have split this whole thing up 50-50. But now I'm at the 40-40 getting bitches tipsy. Killing shit, the ever so talented Mr. Ripley. How I go from being a man that you argue with to me and Dwayne Carter putting out the hardest shit. I should wanna go back to the one I started with, but I'm addicted to this life, it's gonna be hard to quit. Yeah, just ask me how things are coming along. You can tell me that you never heard none of my songs, long as you end up saying one day you plan to listen. Cause what's a star when it's most important man is missing? All I know, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you're stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Oh.
been doing like this side of my room. As y'all just saw, I decluttered the shelf that's under my TV stand. And I just kind of like got all the stuff off the bed and off the nightstand and off the chair and stuff. And I made my bed up. I need to get these purses off my mirror because that's really not that cute. I need to put those up in my closet somewhere. I also need to grab this wine glass. So basically I just did this whole side of my room as far as like decluttering, and now I'm gonna do this side. So basically just like putting all my clothes up into my drawers nicely, making sure my closet is like semi-organized, putting this stuff up that's like in my chair and stuff, and just kind of getting this side together so that we can get to the like dusting and wiping and vacuuming part, because that's my favorite part.
Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me home. Pick up your clothes, ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I will be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I will be my own best friend. I be myself and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm still with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm still you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is your name? Oh, she made us drinks, drink. We drunk and drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we have something proper like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made
out.